Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So while installing Windows on your Dell computer, if you're receiving this error, load driver, no signed device drivers were found, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, you can go to Dell website. So go to dell.com/support. Now, once you go to Dell website, over here, you can enter your model number, you can service tag number, or you can go to browse the product, go to computers and select your laptop over here. Select your computer over here. Make sure that you select your model number. This is just an example. Select your model number, and once you select your model number, now on this page you can go to drivers and download option. Click on drivers and download. Now select right operating system. Make sure that you select your operating system and then find the driver. So now over here you have to look for Intel storage technology driver. So find it. Here you can see Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. You can download this driver. Select it, download it, or you can simply click on download over here. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. Once you run the exe file, select the option which says extract files to this PC to install later. Do not install, select the extract file option, and then you can click on continue. And you have to connect your USB flash drive, your USB bootable drive to the computer, and this has to be an internet computer which has the internet access. So you have to do it on another computer. So connect the USB flash drive to another computer which has the internet access, on which we are browsing Dell. Yeah. Now click on continue. Over here you can select your USB flash drive. This is my USB flash drive. This is the bootable flash drive. Now click on OK. And let the extract complete. Once done, here you can see the update package extracted successfully. Close this, and then you can eject your USB flash drive. Eject, and then you can unplug the USB flash drive from the computer. Unplug it, and then you can connect to the computer on which you want to install Windows. And you can go through the. Now you can start the install process once again. Click on install now over here. Now on this page, agree and next. Now over here, select custom. You can select the option which you want. I'll select custom. I want to go for clean installation. Now over here, click on load driver. You might not see those partitions. So click on load driver over here. And then click on browse over here. Now find your USB flash drive, expand it. Click on this arrow and expand USB flash drive. Now here you can see drivers, expand drivers over here. Now under drivers, you will see driver, expand this driver, and then over here you have to select all the file one by one. You can select it and then click on OK. You might not see anything, then click on browse once again. Again, USB flash drive, drivers, select the second file, click on OK. And here you can see Intel Optane memory and storage management. So the driver, I can see the driver now. Now if you don't see, click on browse once again. USB flash drive, drivers, driver, again select all the file one by one. And now once you see the driver, now click on next over here. Bottom right, next. Now here you can see it's installing the driver. Let the install complete. This may take some time. Once done, now over here you should be able to see your drives. Now before you delete any drive, let me inform you that you will lose all the data and application on your computer. So before you install it, make sure that you have a backup, because you will lose everything. I will go for clean install, so I will select each partition one by one and then I'll delete it. So I will select it, delete it. Okay, this is totally your choice. Unallocated, I cannot delete. Partition 1, I'm deleting. So in my case, I'm deleting everything. Unallocated space, which I cannot delete. This is my hard drive. The option is grayed out. Now at the bottom right, hit next over here. So here you can see it's installing Windows. So this is how you can fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.